New tonight, future nurses from two Georgia historically black colleges and universities are learning lessons that could one day help save lives. Thank you for joining us, everyone. I'm Greg Lloyd.
And I'm Carla Heath-Sands. Now, students from Fort Valley State and Albany State Universities visited the LifeLink of Georgia Donor Care Unit in Atlanta to see firsthand how organ, eye, and tissue donation works.
Across the nation, more than 100,000 people are in need of an organ transplant. Of that 100,000, more than 3,100 Georgians are waiting for a life-saving transplant, and nearly 2/3 of them are black.
WALB News 10's Brittany Blake shows us how the visit aims to change that.
But this is actually a really touching moment where someone has decided, as I leave this earth, I want to provide someone with an opportunity to have a better life.
Students from Fort Valley State and Albany State University spent the day at LifeLink Donor Care Unit in Atlanta, watching how the teams handled the process of organ recovery, a rare opportunity for students who will one day serve on the front lines.
For HBCUs to take the lead in helping to provide this information, not only to the community at large, but also to those who are more likely to need that information because they're more likely to see and be impacted by diseases and conditions that could lead to potential organ donations, either for themselves or for members of their family. It's very important that HBCUs take the lead in this.
Over 20 years, LifeLink of Georgia has nearly tripled the number of lives touched, growing annual organ recoveries from 41 to 118. In partnering with historically black colleges and universities, the organization can help future healthcare professionals understand the vital role they play in the donation process.
So it also gives them another option that they just may not want to be a unit nurse or a hospital nurse or a nurse in a clinic, that this is another option. And so with all that information, it can help them in their careers, advance their careers.
As the director of LifeLink of Georgia's Multicultural Donation Education Program, Bobby Howard says this program has been a component in growing the number of African American donors through education.
We wanted to make sure that they got all the correct information, the factual information that they can be able to disseminate and share with their friends and family as well.
By empowering future healthcare professionals, LifeLink of Georgia and these HBCUs are taking crucial steps to bridge the organ donation gap, bringing hope and healing to communities across our state. Brittany Blake, WALB, your hometown news source.